Here are the 4 mistakes you should never make on Facebook as a content creator. Number 1, you should avoid using sensitive words such as swear words, both in English or in pidgin English, because Facebook has perfected the act of, identifying the swear words and the sex topics that are said in pidgin English, especially those in Nigeria. So please, as a Facebook content creator, avoid using these words repeatedly. It can earn you a strike, it can earn you a ban on your page. Okay, you can wake up one morning, you don't know what happened to your page, but your page, you get one notification or another, and then you start having trouble from there. So please avoid using these kind of words in your in your contents when you create your original contents. Facebook is big now on original content. They need some high level of originality from you. So avoid these words. Now, the second mistake that you should avoid making as a Facebook content creator or any content creator at all is to avoid posting nudity. Any form of nudity in your content, make sure you cut it out before you post it online. Okay? These are going to get you strikes or bans in your pages. Please avoid posting such things on your pages. Okay. Now, the third mistake that you should avoid as a content creator in general is to never share links anyhow. Now, the links you share, some of them are links of something that you shouldn't share on your page. Some of them are links that you shouldn't associate yourself with. And then if you share these links anyhow, if you share anyhow link, like you see a link, you share it immediately on your page. I remember one of my Facebook accounts, when I wasn't taking it serious, I was using it to share links, links of whatever. Maybe some people are playing games, and then when they tell you that you have to make money, and before you cash out the money, you have to share the link on your social media pages. Then now that was what I was using this account to do. But then when I took that account serious, like I wanted to use that account, and then sometime later, I found out that those links I shared 4 years ago, 5 years ago, are the problem that page, or rather that account, is being shadow banned. Those links I shared then. So please don't share links anyhow. I learned this from experience. Now, the fourth mistake that you should not allow yourself to make as a content creator is to grow your page with just one admin. I mean, you shouldn't have one Facebook account. You should have 2 or 3. Now, what you do is make sure you put your profile as an admin in one of your pages. And then the other one, the first Facebook profile that led to your first Facebook page, make sure you use your second Facebook profile and make it an admin in your first Facebook page. And then you can use your third Facebook profile to make an admin of your second Facebook page. That's how you go about this, okay? And then if you want and then if you want to use and then you can use the first account, your first profile admin, and make it the admin of your third Facebook page. That's how these things work, okay? So these 4 mistakes, make sure you don't make these 4 mistakes. I learned this out of experience, okay? I hope you have learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow me for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.